Check out this black beauty, guys. This is the top of the line 2019 Kia Optima. This is the SX Premium package, fully loaded, turbo engine, big alloyed wheels, black on black leather with red stitching. It's got the fine line factory spoiler, backup camera, backup sensors. See all your dual exhaust and ground effects on the bottom. This thing's gorgeous. Only 75,000 miles, touch to lock. The whole top is glass. Let me show you on the inside. Look at this. I have all the Carfax certifications and all the service records from Kia, guys. It's got the red factory calipers. Look at the top. All glass in here. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation. It's got pedal shifters in the steering wheel, automatic cruise control, collision avoidance, heated seats, cooled seats. See your red stitching throughout. And we've got it Conover location. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem at the trading post. We can get you approved. Check out my website, tradingpostcars.com, to apply. Put in your down payment information. We'll get it done for you. An SX with 75,000 miles, triple black, loaded up with the red accents, 828-464-0600. Trading Post, family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices. 2019 Kia Optima SX triple black package. You're gonna love it here. You're gonna love this car. Call us before it's gone.